Hey guys, welcome back to Suri Studio. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm back with a customized dream catcher. So I wanted to make a special gift for my newly born niece and I decided to go for a customized one, and I ordered this named cut out in MDF base. I got this one from Amazon and this is how the product looks like. I got a back base along with it, but it is actually transparent and the letters are little delicate, so you can use the base for the rest of the process as well. Now I'm using acrylic color here, and for the base color I'm using white. Do not use water for the process. If it feels really thick, use a drop or two. I'm going to cover the whole product along with the base with the white color. And for the final color, I'm using little peachy pink color. After 2 coats, it's gonna look something like this. Now let's go and choose 2 colors of the project. As I wanted it to be baby colors, I choose this yellow and pink. From the first color, which will be pink for me, I'm cutting out 45 inches long cords, and we need total of 10 such cords. From the next color, we want little longer cords of 70 inches. And we also need 4 little more longer cords of 100 inches each. Now we will attach the cords one by one with the lark's head knot. So, fold the cords like this, wrap it around the frame and pass the other ends and pass it through. Similarly, we will use the same method and attach all the cords. Now, before starting with the process, make sure to secure your work with a tape, or maybe you can use a frame. It just should not be very shaky. We will make square knots here. To make a square knot, take first 4 cords. Make a L shape with the first cord, and then the fourth one will go from behind and come out from the gap here, making a knot. Tighten it till the end. For the next step, take the fourth cord to make a L shape, and the first cord will go from behind and form a knot. So this is a square knot. Now again, take the next 4 and repeat the same till the end. And for the second row, I wanted to make a triangle shape here. So just eliminate 2 cords from each side, and rest of the cord, take them in 4 segments and make square knots. This time we will leave 4 cords from each side. For each row, you have to leave 2 cords from each side unless you have 1 knot at the end. Then we will join the yellow cords on each side like the same way. Then we will make hitch knot here. Divide the cords in equal portions. The middle cords will go like this in a slanting way. And wrap the cord with other cords like this. Wrap it twice with each cord. and do the same on both the sides. Now make a square knot with all the cords on the middle, and again make a reverse triangle with a hitch knot here. We will make the same design 3 times and do the same on both sides. Just keep pushing the design towards the middle as you have to join both the sides at the end. After you're done with both the sides, we will join them together and make a square knot with this first 6 cords here like this. Then we will repeat the same diamond design. After we are done with the design, we will attach the 4 longer cords on both sides, 2 on each side. With the 4 cords, we will make a spiral knot. Make a L shape with the first cord, then the 4th cord will go from behind making a knot. Repeat the same knot again. Repeat the same process and it will make a spiral on its own. Keep going unless you got your desired length and do the same on both sides. At the end of the spiral knot, to close the knot, take one small cord, make a loop like this. One side will be longer, then wrap the cords with the longer side, and after 4 to 5 wraps, pass the longer cords from the loop like this and tighten by pulling the both ends and cut the extras. Now trim the cords on equal length, and on these gaps here you can attach some cords just to make the whole thing look fuller. And that's it. It's the final look of the product and it's a great customized gift for your loved one. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on my next one. Bye bye.